Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Tone Rock. Don't forget the 2Ks. Y'all know the vibes. Now, I had to come to y'all today with this one because today was one of the most annoying days I've had in a while. I woke up today with a 2K21 error code, y'all. I couldn't play my 2K. I couldn't grind. You crazy? So you know what I did? I went straight on the tech. Started doing the research. And it worked, y'all. And I didn't get hyped right away. I was waiting until my original count. That's when I really got hyped. And I was happy. But I said, I'm not even going to play yet. I'm going to put this on the tool for people who might need this advice and this information too. Why not? Y'all my peoples, right? But anyway, let's get straight to it. So here, I'm starting up the app. And this is for PlayStation 4 people. I don't know about anything else. I got PS4, about to get the P5. So I'm not saying it's gonna work for you if you got Xbox or PC or whatever. So basically, you're seeing this is loading up, and usually at first, the loading screen would take forever. It will start at 30 and take forever. But here you see me, I'm gonna go straight into the career. You're gonna already see the new account. So I'm gonna go straight into it. 60 overall, season 1, game 1, power forward, inside out scorer. So here I'm going straight to the neighborhood. And boom, y'all, it starts loading up. It starts at 30, but this time it don't take too long. It don't take too long. It starts going. And that's how I knew something was right. So if this happened to you, y'all, and y'all see that the loading screen is taking a little bit too longer than usual, because 2K21, they fixed that. The loading is like unbelievable. It's amazing. So when I seen it taking long, I said, oh my gosh, yeah, something is wrong. So yeah, if this happens to you, all you have to do is make a new mod player. When you make the new mod player, skip straight to the NBA. Now what I did, I didn't go straight into the neighborhood after that. Once I finished with the NBA and it was my time for my first game, I exited the entire app, started my PlayStation over, then came back into 2K. Now as you can see, I'm quitting now. I don't even want to mess around. I want to go see if my original count is back. My 90 overall, demigod. You understand what I'm saying? So when you turn the system back on, you open back 2K, go back to the new player, the 60 overall, then check the neighborhood. If the neighborhood works, then it gotta be a 99% chance your first account is gonna work. Cause as you're gonna see right here, I exited the new mod player, went back to my first player, 90 overall, scoring machine, demigod. And as you can see, look, boop, 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 it hit the 30. It started, the loading screen was just speeding like it was refreshed. Like it felt great. You understand what I'm saying? It felt good. Boom, jump right back up to 44. Now it's gonna take off. Now it's up. You understand what I'm saying? So this way I knew I was already feeling good. I was just waiting to see that park, y'all. I was just waiting to see the park. And boom, we are back. I'm running around making sure everything normal. I said, oh yeah.
Yes.
You see me, I'm running around. I'm like, yeah. I stopped. I said, it's happening. I am back. This feels too good. At this point, y'all, I swear, I was jumping around in my room. I probably dropped my controller. I'm flipping. I'm hyped in my room right now. You see, I'm just standing there doing nothing. I'm like, yo, it's lit again. I'm about to go grind. I'm going straight to the gym to go get my VC. I mean, to grind my badges. I'm going straight back to the playoffs. I'm going to destroy the Mavericks. It's lit. It's lit. And put in the comments below if you want to see my playoff gameplay. But this was just a video for you guys, to help you guys if you ever come across this error code, if you ever come across this glitch, this is how you can fix it. Create the new mod player. Skip straight to the NBA. When you get to the main menu, do not open the neighborhood. Exit the 2K app. Then restart your PS4. When you turn your PS4 back on, go back into 2K, go to the new account, then go to the neighborhood. If the neighborhood works on the new account, you gotta go back to your first account, because that's what a blessing will be. Cause boom, my account is back to normal. I'm good, I'm straight. We about to go back to the grind. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, because it will help this channel so much, y'all. Give it a share, give it a comment, give it a like. Until next time, see you next video. We out of here.